Ow! I'm gonna have to edit these two videos together. That's like the little.
How about you just shut up?
What?
Shut up.
You don't tell me to shut up.
From me.
These videos should be interesting, but probably not that funny.
But probably won't be because Dorothy's in them.
Mom, don't talk like me.
Dorothy is pretending to be Markiplier.
I'm not pretending to be Markiplier.
She is a weirdo.
Mom, you stink at doing Mark's voice.
I don't care.
Mark is better than Loki or whatever his name is, Tom Hiddleston.
Loki is a god. Did you know that? Loki's a god of mischief.
There's only one God, and that's Jesus.
No, I mean, he's not a real god. Loki is one of like the made-up gods, but that's what Loki is.
Look at my finger.
Why? What's on it?
It's a finger. It has fingers on it. Yeah. What?
It has fingers on it.
Hang on, I have to do something with my hand. How freaky does this look? How freaky does this look?
Not very.
Mom, you stink at doing Marky's voice!
Hi, I'm Markiplier.
Hello, my name is Dorothy Plier. Okay.
I'm going to put a plier on her mouth, so she'll shut up and stop falling in the floor.
I just gonna die. Mom, no one wants to see you twerk.
Twerking on me.
You're twerking.
No, I'm not.
Right.
You really shake your butt around.
Comment if you think that was.
Miley Cyrus.
Comment if you think that was twerking. Comment if you think she's twerking. Ow. I just hit my
I
head.
am making toast.
Mom, you cannot do Marky's voice.
Well, I am, so there. Go away.
What are you gonna
You butter, go away. Give me my camera.
No. Oh, dear God. I'm not drinking the cranberry juice. Okay. So this is my room. To all the Italians out there. I have a life-size painting of Russia on my wall. And like a TV Russian and that and then that. Don't judge me! What are we gonna do for this video? Oh, most randomness, right? Screw you guys. I'm playing. I'm still trying to come up with a good name for my new YouTube channel, which I'm gonna be uploading these videos to. Until then, who doesn't like that show? I'm just saying. Can someone please explain to me who Daryl is? Oh my God. I said, please explain to me who is Daryl?
Daryl is the crossbow dude.
He looks like an idiot. Oh, I'm trying to piss off a bunch of fangirls in the audience.
If you say that.
Hey, to all the fangirls, who thinks Daryl? Wait, what was the other guy's name that was there yesterday? The one that got underneath the bed and everything?
Rick.
Okay, comment who you think is better, Daryl or Rick or Markiplier.
Flying.
I don't care, Markiplier isn't in it. Markiplier's like the best.
Yeah, okay.
Who do
If you get away from the microwave.
I keep on running into the microwave. Hey, who do you think would survive better in a zombie apocalypse? Me? My mom? Markiplier or PewDiePie? Or Daryl? The idiot! Trying to piss off a bunch of fangirls. Well, I think I'm about out of time for this episode. So, Dorothy9998, or whatever my new name will be, signing off.